baby. You nearly finished me, yeah. Oh baby, you nearly finished me. Do you know that when the milk will come me, and then you go like this, I will check it. What's to finish me? Baby, put your account number here. And any amount you need.
Blank check.
Like you, baby. You are my yellow man. Put your account number. Hey. You just have only 1 million naira.
I'm a good girl.
You don't like money, oh. I was even thinking you would just put 10 million or even 15 million. Okay. I've sent you the 1 million naira.
Chief, thank you.
You are my yoli man.
Thank you, Chief.
You are welcome. Yoli, let me start going now. No. And you know my wife now, You don't want me to. My wife now will not be angry with me. Will you like it? And I will come back for you later.
Are you sure?
I will come. You will stay here. Don't go. I will come back later for you.
Chief,
oh, baby.
Babe. I'm fine.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
So tell me, how did it go?
It went well. Chief gave me 1 million naira.
1 million naira?
Yes.
That's a whole lot, you know.
Big sum. I'm coming. Hold on. Check your phone. I just sent you 950,000.
Wow.
Just need to take care of that issue you told me we were having, okay? I'll hold on to 50,000 now. I'll just need to take care of the house and prepare your favorite meal. So you eat very well tonight.
Thank you. I keep asking myself, what the life would have been without you? I thank the heavens for bringing you into my life.
I will do anything to make you happy. Your happiness is my happiness, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I love you so much.
I love you too. Let me go and start getting the food ready.
All right.
Babe, you see, I have to leave now. Alaji just called me, okay? I will see you later. There's food in the house. Eat, just relax, okay? I'll see you later this evening. Take care. Why was the door locked? I was knocking.
I didn't lock the door. By the way, you didn't tell me you were sleeping out. What happened?
I'm sorry. You know how Alaji is now. He didn't let me leave. I'm sorry. Guess what?
What?
Alaji gave me 3 million naira.
Wow.
Babe, check your phone.
2,950,000 naira for me?
Yes.
But that's too much.
I don't like you saying something is too much. Okay? Whatever I do for you, I do it out of love. I want to see you happy always, okay? Even if it means going to the extreme or even killing myself, I'll do it for you. Okay?
Thank you.
Please, is there food in the house? I'm very hungry.
Yes.
Hi. I'll call you when I get home.
All right. Take care of yourself, okay?
You too. Hello? Excuse me. Who is she? And what is she doing here?
That's my cousin's sister. She was stranded last night, so I asked her to come and pass the night here.
And you could not tell me about it. You didn't even ask for permission and she just come to pass the night here.
Stop. How would I have been able to call you when I know you are busy? I know you are working, so I don't want to disturb you.
Me, I don't like this, so I don't like it at all.
I'm sorry.
Your home is blessed. No! No! Ah!
What is the meaning of this nonsense? What nonsense is this? Do you know I almost ran you over? Are you okay?
Solo, please tell me it's a lie. I just saw a picture of you saying you are married. Please tell me you are not married. And who is that riffraff over there?
That is my beautiful wife.
No, it's not possible. Solo, it's not possible.
And please, mind the way you talk to my wife.
There's only one wife for you and that is me. You can't do that to me. After all I've done for you, Solo. I gave you everything to make you happy. I went to the extreme. I thought we had a future together.
Can you even listen to yourself? No, can you listen to yourself? What were you thinking? That I will get married to you? Public toilet like you? That have been sleeping around with different kinds of men for money? Come on! The worst mistake I would have done was to get married to you.
So everything I did it for you. For you, to make you happy.
You didn't do anything because of me. You did it because you spoiled. You did what you did because I showered your eye. My friend, get out. I will run you over.
Oh,